Namaste dear friends and readers. Today is the 8th day of Chaitra Navaratri. We will recite another stotra from Shiva-Rahasyam. This stotra is in the third Amsha of Shiva-Rahasyam in the 37th chapter. This is when the sages saw Gauri in the Daksha Vatika. Let us recite this beautiful stotra now. Tadanim munayas sarve tam pranamya muhurmuhu stutva kritanjali putaha vinayena natananaha yameva hi kalyani bhavani bhaktavatsala yameva para vidya Paramanandadayini Saubhagyajanani Seyam Sarva Saubhagyadayini Yat Prasadena Jivama Nandama Sharadashatam Seyam Bhagyavashadrishta Duradrishta Vinashini Kashtapaharanodyukta Santushta Vikshanaadibihi Narayanadhyas sarvepi Yatpadambujarenubihi Srishtasyayam Mahagauri Sharanagata Namo Gauryai Mahagauryai Bhavanyai Pranatavayam Pranata sahi girije Vijvaran kuru sadaram Yatkopam buddhi leshoyam Jvaras sarvapaharakaha Tam natasmavayam sarve Durge durgatiharini Aruna prana samhara karane kamalanane Bhime Devi Namastubhyam Bhayani Hara Sarvatha Vaiprachitta Mahaghora Shariraughani Barhane Shri Rakta Dantike Gauri Namastubhyam Namo Namaha Mahamaye Mahadurge Madhunashanakarini Namastubhyam Bhayam Samhara Kaitabha Prana Harana Pravine Shiva Vallabhe Namastubhyam Pidam Samhara Shakambari Jagadvandye Shashankalalitalake Namastubhyam Shankatankani samhara Unmatta mahisharati Garva samhara karane Namastubhyam Apannarti harodhyame Setu bhupala samhara pravine chandalakshane Namastubhyam Shiveshani Tvai bhaktim prayachanaha Namaste jagadadhare Bhavabhara vinashini Namastubhyam Paramananda rupini